Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm gonna explain about use callback hooks. If you don't know use memo, check my previous video. I will provide the link in the top right corner. Definitely it will help you to understand use callback. So what is use callback? How we are going to use this? So use callback is used to memorize the function. We have C use memo is used to memorize the value, output value. So with the memoization of function is nothing but it catch the UI of the component or a function. So if the value has been repeated, it will not trigger the component. So the performance will be increased. Next, the performance will be increased with the help of memoized function by reduce the re-rendering. Next, we can use the dependency for use callback. Let's start the practical demonstration for use callback. First, I'm going to create a components. For that, creating components, and I'm going to create products.jsx. Here I'm going to create a products arrow function. So here we have to change products arrow function. Within this, I'm going to provide a return fragments and div tag. Div tag. So here and here. Here I'm going to provide products, and let's go to the index page. Here I'm going to remove these values and provide fragment, and I'm going to import products here. Products, and I'm going to import products. Import products from slash components slash products. Here we have. Now I'm going to create a constant data array. Here products 1 comma, the same way I'm going to provide product 2. Here I'm going to remove this product, and I'm going to use curly braces data dot map arrow function. Within this arrow function, I'm going to provide a return fragments, and here we can provide products. So here this data will pass the values, and here it will get into the values values, and we can go to the products component. Here we can get the values and remove this products and provide values. So let's go to the index page, and so here I'm going to provide the console, and the console is with values. Let's start the terminal. Start. Now close the terminal, and we can go to the front end and local host 3000. We will directly navigate toward the front end. So in products, we have to export the component export default products. products. And so now we can create a new terminal and start the application. Now close the terminal and open the Chrome and provide a localhost 3000. We will have the values here. And if we open the console, we will have product 1, product 2. So okay, next I'm going to provide use state. Create constant count set count equal to react dot use state. I'm going to provide the value as 0, and after before the curly braces I'm going to provide span. Here we have to provide a count, and below the span I'm going to provide button. So button. So count increment. So here I'm going to provide on click. Within this on click I'm going to provide arrow function. Here set count plus 1. So let's go to the front end, refresh the page. If we click count 1, you can see the value is updating, and here the console is repeating because the use state has been updated here. If it is update, it will trigger the whole component to re-render, and this product also will be re-rendered. So the console will be again repeated. To overcome this, I'm going to use memo. So let's use react. So react dot memo and this one. So let's go to the front end. If we click again count, the count value has been updated, but the console has not repeated. This is because memo output value has been same, it will not re-render. So next I'm going to create a new use state called cart. So here carts and below this button I'm going to provide new element called div, and I'm going to provide carts. So here I'm going to create a new function, constant update arrow function. Within this arrow function I'm going to provide set code. Within this arrow function I'm going to provide set cart plus 1. So let's provide the update and provide the update. Go to the product. Here we can get the props, and you can set the button and update cart. On click arrow function update. Now let's open the front end. You can see if we provide count also, here we have the this console repeating. This is because here the use state has been updating. After use state has been updated, this function also re-rendered. And so after updating this update component, if we go to front end and refresh the page, you can see if we update the cart, it is repeating the console. It is not a problem because it has the within this component, the function has the use state. This update function has use state, so it will re-render. It's not a problem. But after clicking count also, it has been repeating. You can see here. I'm clicking count, again it is repeating. This is because in the index page the set count has been triggered and it will re-render the whole page. At that time this update also is re-rendering. So this is the problem. To overcome this, I'm going to use callback. React dot use callback, and I'm going to copy this one and paste inside and move this arrow here. And here we have to provide the dependency when we have to use. So here we have to use when the cart use state has been updated. So if we have came to the front end and click the count again, it has not repeated the product console here. This means it has optimized your performance. And if you are going to create a complex application, at that time it's going to be help you definitely. Now we have reached the final part of this video. Provide your thoughts about use callback and a difference between use callback and use memo in comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly. Thank you for watching this video.